Amsoil. Legendary products by a company devoted to protecting your engine. To celebrate 4 decades of innovation, one lucky fan will be going home in this 1972 Ford Mustang Mach1.
Today we'll be working on all the new chassis and suspension components. As for the brakes, we went with Wilwood 4-piston calipers with 12-inch drilled and slotted rotors. For shocks, Afco billet double adjustable all the way around. This will help the car handle and perform better than it ever has. An upgraded fuel system is also needed to feed the extra horses. The list could go on, but those are just a few of the many improvements the Mustang is getting. We'll just keep plugging away on it and check back in.
Follow the Build on our Amsoil Inc. Facebook page and register to win at amsoil.com/musclecar. Amsoil, devoted to protection since 1972.